go to Zuni, and here's Zuni. We're in the Stuart Murphy books, and you could click on that to download the book. When you get it, you've got this. And notice that each page in Zuni has a different web address. So that's something important that you need to understand. Because it has its own web address, this book, I'm able to copy this, and then I can paste it into my QR code here by just simply pasting it into that box. I can change the color of my QR code to be whatever I want. Notice that when I change it, the numbers change. That's because every number or every color has its own unique number, so that's really important to know if you ever design things. And then you can actually change the effects, which I'm not going to because I don't really like the way the light gradient looks, so I'm just going to put no effect. But I do want to include a logo or image in the QR code. I'm not going to choose any of these. I would want my own logo, and I can upload the image. Now, I've already actually taken a screenshot of the Stuart Murphy book, but just in case you're not sure how to do that, on a Mac, I do Command-Shift-4, and I just highlight it like this, just drag, and then let go, and it'll put that picture onto my desktop. If you have Smart, you can use the capture tool to do this. A PC, I'll put a link on how to do with I think there's a snipping tool in Windows that you can use for that. So let me go back to my QR code. I want to upload my image. I'm going to go into my desktop, which is where it puts the screenshot. There's the penny pot. Open it up. It's opening, and notice it has an image URL here. And then I'm going to create my QR code. And there it is. That's what it looks like. Now, I want to make sure that my QR code works before I try to download it. Because if it doesn't work, then I need to fix it. I'm not sure why it wouldn't work, but if it doesn't, then I will. So you can't really see me do this, but you just take your QR code app and you scan it. And I'm going to click on it, and there it is. It opens it right to the penny pot in Zuni. And so now I have that on my iPad. So all I have to do now is download the PNG. It's going to come right down here, and it's going to go into my downloads. When I click here, it actually gives me the QR code that I can print off, or I can put it on my smartboard or whatever. So let me go ahead and show you that just in case you're not sure how to do this. I'm going to go to Smart. Let's see, I'm just going to open up one. You just paste it in as an image into Smart. You can put it up on your, go to File, New. Alright, so I'm in here. I'm going to go Insert, Picture File. I'm going to go into my downloads because that's where it was, and then find it, which would be a QR, I think is probably what it's called. I think that's what they call it. And there it is. And open it up, and there you go. And you can size it. I mean, it doesn't have to be that big. So if you put one like on a worksheet of some sort, a note home to parents, I mean, there's lots of things you could do with it. Then you can actually size it to fit whatever you need it to fit. So that's how you create a URL The next video I'm going to show you how to do text, which is real simple, and then I'm going to show you how to do some other cool things with the QR codes.